Well, ahoy here, mateys. Ahoy here and ahoy there. We're going to do big ideas 4.2, which is area of triangles. We're going to throw in rectangles, though. So to get the area of a rectangle, it's the length times the width, also known as the base times the height. Those are used interchangeably. And for a triangle, instead of saying length and width, they normally say just base and height. So if you're going to find the area of a triangle is half of a rectangle. So you go 1/2 the base times the height. And that's for every triangle, no matter what it looks like. You're going to do 1/2 the base times the height. Okay, let's run through some examples. So, example number 1. It is not advancing. Here we are. Alrighty. So the area of this triangle right here, first thing you want to do is rewrite the formula, which is always 1/2 the base times the height. You could also do base times height divided by 2. That's the same as doing half the base times the height. So what is the base for this problem? Yeah, the base is 11, and then the height will be 4. So you're going to do 1/2 11 times 4. So figure that out, and what's your answer? Okay, so when you're multiplying, you can rearrange the order. You can do 11 times 4 first, and then cut that in half. Or you can do half of 11, which is 5.5, and then times 4. Or you can do half of 4, and then times 11. So any order, for me, I would just do 11 times 4 is 44. Cut it in half is 22. Therefore, the area is 22 square feet. And again, area is always square units for triangles, any shape at all. All right, let's try this problem right here. See if you can identify the base and the height and use the correct formula to get the area. Good luck. Okay, hopefully you did 1/2 22 times 10. And again, you can do 22 times 10 first, which is 220. Cut it in half, 110. Or you can do half of 22, which is 11 times 10, 110. Or you can even go half of 10, which is 5 times 22, 110. Just don't cut them both in half and multiply that, because that will be wrong. All right. Sometimes your triangles will be upside down. So just keep that in mind, that sometimes they'll be upside down. So go ahead and find the area of this triangle. All right. So again, you're going to do half times 18 times 12. And again, you can multiply 18 times 12. It's not so easy. It's 216, and then you cut it in half. Or you can do half of 18, which is 9. 9 times 12 is 108. Or you can do half of 12, which is 6. And 6 times 18, 108. All right, and sometimes your triangles are going to look weird, like this one. This is actually a green triangle. That red triangle on the side is actually just showing you what the height is. So in this case, the height is 9, and the base is 12, even though the base doesn't stretch all the way out to where the height is. Okay, so even for triangles like this, it's the same formula. So go ahead and get an answer for this one. Okay, so it's good to rewrite the formula again. The base in this case is 12. The height in this case is 9, so you substitute 12 and 9 for the base and height. And then you just multiply. And again, you can multiply half of 12, so 6 times 9 is 54. Or you can do 12 times 9 is 108. Cut it in half, 54. Or you can even do half of 9, which is 4.5 times 12 would be 54. So any order you want to multiply them gives you the same answer. So there you go. The area of the triangle is 54 square meters. You are now prepared to do any problem that you will encounter for 4.2. So good luck. Email me or join during On Demand if you have any questions, or see Mrs. Rude, or ask a question on Flipgrid. I'll be around if you need me. See you during live time. Good luck, Pirates.